If you want to connect your GoDaddy domain to Netlify, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step, so you can point your custom domain to your Netlify site without confusion. This is a super useful setup if you've built a portfolio, business site, or landing page, and you want it live on your own domain instead of the default Netlify URL. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website and hosting tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, go to Netlify and sign into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, open the site you want to connect. From there, go to Site Settings, then select Domain Management. This is the area where Netlify handles all of your custom domains and DNS setup. Next, click Add Custom Domain. Now type in your GoDaddy domain name exactly as you want it to appear, such as your root domain or your www version, depending on how you want visitors to reach your site. After you enter it, click Verify. Netlify would check the domain and then show you the DNS records you need to add. This part is important, so take a moment and copy the DNS records Netlify gives you. You'll usually need an A record and a CNAME record. Keep these details handy because you'll paste them into GoDaddy in just a second. Now open a new tab and go to GoDaddy. Sign into the account that owns the domain you want to use. Once you're in, go to My Products, then Domains, and click on your domain. After that, open the DNS section. This is where you can manage all the records for your domain. Now let's add the records. First, create an A record. Set the host to @ and point it to 75.2.60.5. Then add a second A record with the host also set to @ and point it to 99.83.190.102. These A records help direct your main domain to Netlify. After that, add a CNAME record. Set the host to www and point it to your Netlify site address, which will usually look something like yoursitename.netlify.app. This tells the www version of your domain where to go. Once all the records are entered, click Save. Make sure there are no typos, because even a small mistake can stop the domain from working correctly. If GoDaddy shows any existing conflicting records, remove or replace them as needed so the new Netlify records can take effect. Now go back to Netlify, return to your custom domain settings and click Verify DNS or Check Status. Netlify will recheck the domain settings and see whether everything is pointing correctly. If it doesn't connect instantly, don't worry. DNS changes often take a little time to update across the internet. Propagation can take anywhere from about 5 minutes to 24 hours, depending on the domain and DNS provider. In many cases, it works much faster than that, but it's always good to be patient and refresh the status later if needed. And that's it. Your GoDaddy domain should now be connected to your Netlify site. Once propagation finishes, visitors will be able to access your website using your custom domain. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.